Hello, children. Very good morning. Welcome to maths class. How are you all? All of it are fine? Okay. So, children, welcome back to CLE Society's KKCBC School, Chikkodi. So, children, what we done in yesterday's class, children? About increasing order, we practicing in numeracy scale book. Is it? Yes. So tell me, what is the increasing order? Numbers arranged from the smallest to the longest are said to be in increasing order. So smaller number to bigger number, we arranged numbers so that we will call increasing order. Is it? Yes. So once again say, numbers arranged from the smallest to the longest are said to be in increasing order. Yes, very good, children. Say once again, numbers arranged from the smallest to the longest are said to be in increasing order. Very good, children. Okay. So now we knows now increasing order. So numbers will be there. So that numbers we have to arrange in increasing order. Is it? Smaller number to bigger number. We have to write it here. Is it? Yes. Okay. So everyone take out your square line notebook, take out your pencil and write classwork increasing order. So in your square line notebook, write it. CW classwork increasing order. INCREASING increasing. ORDER order. Okay, so like this write it. Okay, then you have to write this all the numbers. Okay, example and numbers write 1 2 3 4 5, and in that numbers this all the numbers you have to write it in one box. Okay, so after one box you have to return means you have to leave one box and you have to write next number, then again one box leave, again one, an arrow mark, dash, here like a fill in the blanks you have to put it. Okay, dash dash dash. So dash wave here no, we have to write the in increasing order these numbers. Okay, yes. Okay, now write it. See, first no, before the writing you have to read the numbers, then you have to write the in increasing order these numbers. Okay, okay. So see, 48 19 31, 48 19 31. So these are the numbers. So from these numbers, which number is a smaller number, smallest number? Yes, 19 is a what? Smallest number, is it? So 19 number we have to write it here. 1 9 19 19. 1 9 19. Okay. Next number 48 31. So in this number, so little longest number is what? Yes, 31. 31. So write it next. 3 1 31. Okay. So after 31, which number will come? Longest number? Yes, 48. So write it. 4 8 48. 4, 8, 48. Okay. So this is a example done. Is it? Yes. Okay. So next number 1. So these numbers read it. 27, 50, 23. So in this number, which number is the smallest number? Yes, 23 is the smallest number. So write it. 2, 3, 23. 2, 3, 23. Okay. Next number 27. So write it here. 2, 7, 27. 2, 7, 27. So after 27, which number will come? 50. 5, 0, 50. 5, 0, 50. Okay. So these numbers, what we done? We written in increasing order. We arrange these numbers though. We had written in increasing order. Is it, children? Okay. So next number read. Second one. 64, 35, 17. So in this number, which number is the smallest number? Yes, very good. 17. So write it here. 1, 7, 17. Okay. After 17, which number will come? Very good. 35. So write it here. 3, 5, 35. 3, 5, 35. Okay. After 35, which number will come? 64. So write it here. 6, 4, 64. 6, 4, 64. Okay. So next number read. 21, 35, 12. 21, 35, 12. So in these numbers, which number is the smallest number? Yes, very good. 12. So write it. 1, 2, 12. Next, after 12, which number will come? Very good, children. 21. So write it. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. Okay. After 21, which number will come? Very good. 35. So write it here. 3, 5, 35. 3, 5, 35. Okay. So these numbers we had arranged in increasing order. Is it? Yes. Okay. Next read number 11, 1, 18. 11, 1, 18. So these are the numbers. So these numbers we have to arrange in increasing order. Okay. Okay. So in this number, which number is the smallest number? Very good. 1. So write it here. 1. Okay. After 1, which number will come? Very good. 11. So write it here. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Okay. After 11, which number will come? Longest number with which? Yes, 18. So write it here. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Okay, very good, children. Okay, next, last one. Number read. 77, 68, 89. 77, 68, 89. So these numbers we have to arrange in increasing order. Okay. Let's tell me which number in this number, which number is the smallest number? Very good. 68. So write it here. 6, 8, 68. 6, 8, 68. 6, 8, 68. Okay, after 68, which number will come? Yes, very good. 77. So write it here. 7, 7, 77. 7, 7, 77. Okay. After 77, which number will come? 89. Very good. So write it here. 8, 9, 80. So 89 is the longest number, is it? Yes. So like this you have to write it in your square line notebook, children. Understood? Yes. So already I had written in this one side we had to write the numbers. Okay. So those from these numbers we had to write in increasing order. So that numbers we had to take in arrange, we had to write in, we had to arrange those numbers in increasing order. Okay. Yes. So like this, same you have to write it in your homework page also. Okay. Yes. So what you wrote in the classwork, no, this you have to write in homework page. Okay. Everyone do the homework and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a good day.